What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Behind me here we've got this Volvo single axle. Now, this is a local customer that wanted one of our hitch kits installed. He also wanted the turnover ball, which has been a highly requested item up to this point, and unfortunately we've not been able to bring that to the table. But this guy was willing to wait, and he said figure something out, and we also wanted to figure something out for just, bettering our product. So he was able to leave the truck for long enough. We took some time with some R&D, and we've got an option that we're going to bring to the table to replace our old option for the gooseneck with the new turnover ball option. So let's check out this install. So I am really happy with the way this one turned out. Super clean. Every one we install, we get a little bit better on just how everything flows. Obviously they all fit together the same, but you know what I'm talking about. The more you do something, just the slicker it ends up. So this customer wanted both plugs. So we've got your round plug there. You've got your 7-way there for your regular electric brakes. Double D-rings always with the gooseneck. Got your pintle hitch and your receiver. And then of course you have your turnover ball. Now it doesn't come with this little red thing. Joey just kind of put that on there as a joke before he left a minute ago. But that is your release. Let me see if I can set my phone up and do it for you. So when you order one of these hitch kits, it will come with this piece. This is an assembly. This won't be just the piece of metal with loose parts. This whole piece that encapsulates the ball, the unlocker, all this stuff will be completely assembled. It'll be welded both sides down the gussets, and it will have 2 welds right here. So this is a bend relief, but it also allows this square piece to pass through and you to be able to tie it in at 2 different spots on the metal plate, because you really can't get down in there to tie it in good, for the exception of the gussets that run down through here, which I'll show you on the bottom. So that's why that's there. You can fill it up if you want to, make it level across there or whatever. I didn't on this one. I just run 2 or 3 passes right there and just smoothed it out with the grinder and let it ride. But these will be the same width as the hitch plates. They will also have a little notch right here, and this will allow you to scoot it all the way up against the hitch plate, where you can weld it to the top of the hitch plate all the way down, and it'll account for the little radius right here. So a lot of little details that I ran into installing this, which we'll incorporate with the production model. So let's check it out from underneath. Here's a look at it from the underside. You can see these 2 gussets come with the kit. They will come all the way to the end of the receiver hitch for the bracing. And then you'll have 2 large gussets that come all the way to the bottom of the hitch plate. Now, it is important that you weld 360 degrees around everything. These gussets on the side, weld them both sides. These, weld them both sides all the way down. Weld the receiver hitch back and front. Weld everything as much as you can weld it. Even if you look right here, it's welded all the way down the hitch plate on the underside and on the top side. And let me see if I can get a light here. And in the corners and up in the frame channel, it's welded everywhere. So let me show you how this looks underneath. Got some wires and stuff in the way now, but right there where the base of the light is, weld down those gussets, attach that to the hitch plate. Everything else will be welded. You just need to weld down those gussets. So as far as the lights, you can get these lights on Amazon. They're LED, got a pretty rigid metal bracket. I mean, that's just about 1/8 inch thick, but it's already got the holes in it. It's already in there. It's an easy way to mount lights. Sometimes I put them up here, but it worked out. I think it looks better on this truck with them down like that, just the way it's laid out. But that's an easy light option. I don't think they're much money, maybe $50 or something like that. So check those out. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Just wanted to show y'all the new stuff we're coming out with. Make sure you check it out on rocksolidmotorsports.com. I'll have the link below to this hitch kit. If you're not sure if it'll fit on your truck, please send us an email. We can walk through the setup with you and make sure that what you're ordering is going to fit. If it doesn't fit and something needs to be custom cut for your frame or whatever, we can accommodate. You just need to communicate with us through the email and we can get you set up. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.